Why not planning your day in advance is planning to fail. Why we say this? Because if you do not plan your day in advance, you will definitely miss out on many things which are very important. Because when we start our day, life throws numerous things on our plate, and we have to struggle to meet those expectations of life. And on those struggles and expectations, we miss out on the things which are really important for us to complete in that particular day. And at the end of the month or end of the year, you will see that what all things you are planning for your self growth, for your financial growth, for your relationship growth, everything is just lying like this, and all those things are not taken care because you couldn't give them time. And at the end of the day, end of the year, you will said, okay, next time I will give more time to these things. I could not get much time for those things earlier. And even though you get some certain opportunity to grow yourself, to help yourself to grow financially in your relationships, in everything, you will say, I don't have time. How we can avoid this? We can avoid this by a simple technique that we can plan our day well in advance. We can plan our day a night before. What we will do that time is we just take a paper and pen and try to list out all the things which are very important for us to do in the next day, and try to set the time limits and the priorities, list them in a priority order. What will happen is we already had assign those tasks to ourselves, and our mind is actually working on thinking on how to accomplish these tasks. At the same time, when we know in advance that what we have to do next day, we can very well plan our setup, or the things should be in the place that whenever you wake up, you already have those things arranged, so that you don't have to waste your time into getting those things, and you can start working on them straight away. And most important thing is, those things which are very important to you, those tasks can be taken care in the earlier part of the day, so that when other things or other people come into picture, they demand your time and you have to give them the time. But at the same time, since you have done your task already in the earlier part of morning, you are at least good to continue further. And when you do this, at the end of the month, you will see that you have accomplished a lot. On the same time, if we do not do this, we do not plan our day in advance, we again will go into the same cycle. We will see that those things which were not urgent, which were not important, they come to us, and we just face them. At the same time, we waste a lot of time in other activities when we are in kind of a vacuum. We don't know what to do next. We just tend to attend things which are not that important. Just try this out. Write down all the things you want to do in the next day. On the next day, you can see how you could accomplish more. Will that work 100% of time? No. But it will definitely work more than what you used to do earlier. You just have to spend somewhat about 10 minutes in the night before you go to bed, and just list down all the things, and just check this list very first time in the morning. As soon as you wake up, just tick out the things which you accomplish, and remove those which you could not accomplish in your next night schedule, that you will put them in the priority for the next day. And with this technique, you will see a massive difference in your productivity. I am Utkarsh Srivastava, India's first meta-human mentor, on a mission to transform 1 million IT professionals by empowering them to know their full potential and live life full of productivity, confidence, and time freedom. Thank you.